Hello and welcome to this Essential Math Skills for Science, and in this one we're looking at drawing bar charts. Now, we've talked in the previous video about the different sorts of graphs. You can have bar charts, line graphs, scatter graphs, pie charts. In this one we are looking at particularly perhaps the simplest of them all, which is bar charts. Now, here's what we've talked about previously. Here's an example of some data. We've got eye colour here. You might be blue or brown or green or hazel, and this is your number of people here. Okay, so here we show data, show a number of people, different eye colours. Now, this sort of data is ideal for a bar chart. Nice and simple, easy to show in a very colourful display. Now, bar chart is used when we have what we call categorical data. That's when we've got categories of data. So here we've got two categories: people liking pizza, people liking burger. Here we had four categories: blue, brown, green and hazel. So bar charts work particularly well when we've got what we call categorical data. Let's look at our data, shall we? Now, this is a study done of a group of people looking at their blood group. So 15 were blood group A, 7 were blood group B, 3 blood group AB and 24 blood group O. Now, this is perfect data for a bar chart. It's what we call non-continuous. You know, your A or B, A, B or O. There's nothing in between. This is non-continuous data. It's categorical and it's brilliant. So we can draw a bar chart. First thing, what goes on which axis? On any graph you've got two axes. This is the x-axis here and this is the y-axis. Now, blood group, the categories, now they always go along the x-axis. So people will say, how do you remember which is x, which is y? Well, this is what I always say: x-axis goes across. Get it? X across. That's how to remember it. That's how I remember it. X goes across. So we can put the data in there, all the categories, A, B, A, B, O, and quite right, don't forget to label the axes as blood groups. So that's our first x-axis there with the categories. Now, what's left? Well, number of people goes up the y-axis. Number of people, our dependent variable. When we talk about a dependent variable, it's what we are measuring, what we're recording, and here we're recording how many people are in A, how many people in B, and so on. So that's the dependent variable, and that goes on the y-axis. You need to spread the axis out evenly. Should at this point, if you're using graph paper, use at least half of the graph paper area at least, and then you have your evenly spaced y-axis here, and don't forget to label a number of people. Having done this, we're now ready to start drawing our bars. Now, for this you need to get out your sharp pencil, your ruler and your colours if you've got any. It's important to keep the width of the bars the same. Let's see what I mean by that. Well, here we've got the bar for blood group A, that goes to 15, and B goes to 7, AB goes to 3, O 24. None of the bars are all equal width and also equidistant apart. It's nice and neat, and yes, I've added some colour. Why? Because I like colour. Okay, so that is a great example there of a very, very simple bar chart. Let's complicate it a little bit. Let's suggest that we have another category. So sometimes categories may split even further. The same data, but this time, instead of a 15 in blood group A, we've looked at number of males and females, and 9 males and 6 females. So over here on our bar, we've got 9 males there and 6 females there. So we've split this category, the A category, into two, you could call it subcategories. And B, we've got 2 and 5, AB 2 and 1, and O, we've got 9 and 15. Now, when you're using this sort of data here, what you can do, you can add a key. So look at this, we know straight away males are red, females are blue. Very, very clear, easy to interpret, and that's why we love bar charts. Right, looks easy, doesn't it? Now it's your turn. Here's the first question. Houses may be heated by oil boilers like our house, gas boilers, coal fires or log fires. Below is the data collected from one street. Draw a bar chart to display clearly this data. So, house heated by oil, gas, coal, logs, number of houses 7, 8, 4, 2. So think about data, think how you're going to show that as a bar graph. This one, I had another category. A student carried out a survey of 2 year groups to find out the average weight of males and females. Below is the data. Draw a bar chart for these results. Here's your year group, so we look at year 7 and year 8. Average weight, kilograms. And don't forget, when you're actually labelling the axis, don't forget to put the unit in. That is critical. Male 46, 50, female 43, 45. Have a go at drawing a bar chart. Right, well, bar charts in many ways are the simplest form of data display, so I hope you got the grasp of it now. Have a go, see you get on, and I'll be back with another video very soon. So bye bye for now.